This is a descriptive question which is given in the problem. We can go by the concept of Venn diagram. Is it okay? We can go by the concept of Venn diagram. Easily, we'll read the description, we'll plot it in the Venn diagram. Two newspapers A and B are published in a city. It is known that 25% of the population reads the paper A. So 25% of the population reads the newspaper A, and 20% of the population reads the newspaper B, and 20% of the population reads the newspaper B. All right, 20% of the population reads the newspaper B, while 8% reads both A and B. So 8% are the people who are reading both A and B. Is it okay? Further, so if you can see here, out of 25% people who are reading, both are 8%. So people who are reading only A, people who are reading only newspaper A is 17%. People who are reading only B, how much is it? Only B is 12%. Correct or not? From the Venn diagram only, straightforward. Now what is told in the problem is, further 30% of those who read A but not B. See this one, right? This one. 30% of the people who read A but not B, look into advertisements. Okay, now we're talking of advertisements now. Advertisements. Okay, we're talking of advertisement. I'll write clearly. Now we are talking of ad. Okay, I'll write like this: ad, advertisements. Now here, what is told in the problem? 30% of people who are reading the paper A only but not B look into advertisements, and 40% of those who read B but not A. But 40% of those who read B but not A, that is nothing but 40% of 12%. Yes or no? And 50% of those who read both, and 50% of those who read both, will look into advertisements. Then the percentage of population who look into advertisements is dash. Now this is easy. What to do? 30% is how much? 30% is nothing but 0.3 into 1.7. Correct or not? 17 by 100 is 0.17. 30% is 0.3 into 0.17 plus 0.4 into 0.12 plus 0.5 into 0.08. Correct or not? Into 0.08. This is the required answer. So what is your answer? 17 3s are 51. So what will be your answer that we get now? 3 7s are 21. 0.051 plus 0.048 plus 0.040. Correct? 0.040. So what is your answer that we get now? Can be written as 5.1% plus 4.8% plus 4%. 5.1 plus 4, 9.1. 9.1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13.9%. 13.9% is the answer to the question. Yeah, so which corresponds to the option number A. This is the answer. 13.9. Convert it into percentage, that is more easy. Is it okay? 13.9 is the answer.